आवाज आ रही कि नहीं? Make some louder, guys. Come on, आवाज come on, everyone. Hands up, come on.
50,000 check. Ya Farinai sini Miss Hokutusha Beauty Contest ni 2024 ni first season ni Miss.
Video sing na sakong jatona sana masong go fuilano happy Tring hingke sengtini Tring ni video na Tring elinai barboro tamung khaboro Tring pali sakha tirong te sengtini salinai hingke video na saya sang nai tongdi sada hingke like share subscribe khairi hingke asang na hambai bisi kok se video star khali sinai hingke sang puilano nailnai khwai hatai bari ni Tring program tam angka ngya abrong Tring elinai
तुम रहती हो तुम आ गए हो नूर आ गया है
hingke etai kisa sin bagai onek no khobor kaham tam Himalaya Hyderabad wasini Tripura sanati Tring palijaka hingke ar tam ka kisa sing 9 alien sab thang shogika
Governor Sri Jishnu De Burma to please come on the dais. Along with him, we would like to request Honorable Lady Governor Srimati Sudha De Burma and Srimati Sidaka Honorable Minister PRNRT, Sri Poonam Pravakar, Honorable Minister BC Welfare and Transport, Sri Jupale Krishna Rao, Honorable Minister for Culture and Tourism, Sri Itala Rajender, Honorable MP, Sri Dana Kishore, Principal Secretary to Governor, Sri Burra Venkateshwar, Chairman TGPSC, Sri Ajay Mishra, Chairman Indian Red Cross Society. Let us all welcome them to the dais.
Hakuti shawa Tring palijangmani mix rigna ni winner no 50,000 rang rizaka hingke sing abona kisa 9 alien
Also Honorable MLA and sponsored Kainai sini Shagatam Das 50,000 check Ya Farinai sini Miss Hokutusha Beauty Contest ni 2024 ni first season ni Miss Jotono Fandia Bagaude 50,000 check Ya Farmani Bagari Melai Belekan Hambai sini